Zagato, the legendary Italian coach builder, has teamed up with a new name in the automotive world to craft a BMW unlike any we've seen before. Meet the 2026 Bovensiepen Zagato, a striking reinterpretation of the M4 convertible that's as much a design statement as it is a high-performance machine. And no, this isn't just a styling exercise. It's a full transformation that merges German engineering with Italian flair in a way that feels both nostalgic and futuristic. At first glance, the Bovensiepen Zagato looks like a completely new model. That's no accident. Although it's based on the BMW M4 Convertible, it sheds the soft top in favor of Zagato's signature double-bubble roof, a design touch the Italian firm has been using since the 1950s. This gives the car a dramatic coupe silhouette, made even more distinctive by the absence of B-pillars and the presence of frameless rear windows, which drop down seamlessly like a true pillarless grand tourer. The name Bovensiepen may sound familiar to BMW enthusiasts. That's because the company was founded by Andreas and Florian Bovensiepen, sons of the late Burkhard Bovensiepen, the man behind Alpina. With Alpina now fully integrated into the BMW group and charting a new course toward the ultra-luxury segment, Andreas and Florian have set out on their own path, launching their brand from the same town of Bucklow. Their first creation, a collaboration with Zagato that reimagines the M4 with craftsmanship and elegance. The exterior has undergone a total overhaul. Gone are the controversial oversized kidney grills. In their place is a sleeker, more refined front end with a longer hood and a sculpted U-shaped vent that adds character without shouting for attention. Most of the body panels are crafted from carbon fiber, helping to keep weight in check while also giving the car a bespoke, high-end feel. A new set of forged 20-inch wheels rounds out the look, while a reshaped rear glass panel and integrated spoiler give the car a flowing, aerodynamic profile. Around the back, a more aggressive diffuser and a titanium Akrapovič exhaust system make themselves known, both visually and audibly. The exhaust setup not only enhances the sound but also trims weight by 40% compared to the stock M4's exhaust. The wraparound design at both the front and rear ties the entire look together, offering a cohesive, exclusive aesthetic that clearly separates it from the base M4 step inside, and the car remains unmistakably BMW, though adorned with exclusive materials. Blue leather and Alcantara give the cabin a refined yet sporty atmosphere. While the core layout hasn't changed, these touches elevate the interior to match the car's exotic exterior. Performance-wise, this isn't just about looks. Under the hood lies an enhanced version of the M4's S58 engine, a twin-turbo 3.0-liter inline-six now delivering 602 horsepower and 516 lb-ft of torque. That's more power than the limited edition 3.0 CSL and more torque than the M4 CS. The Bovensiepen Zagato rockets from 0 to 62 mph in just 3.3 seconds and tops out at over 186 mph. Since it's based on the convertible, it retains the X-Drive all-wheel drive system and automatic transmission, ensuring both grip and everyday usability. Building one of these masterpieces takes over 250 hours, so it's no surprise that this limited edition coupe will carry an equally exclusive price tag. With a standard M4 convertible already pushing six figures in the US, this custom Grand Tourer will easily soar into a much higher bracket. Official pricing and production numbers are expected later this year, with deliveries set for mid-2026. Zagato hasn't worked on a BMW since 2012, when it designed coupe and roadster versions of the Z4. Neither of those concepts reached production. This time, however, the Bovensiepen Zagato appears to be a real-deal limited-run vehicle that could become an instant collector's item. As for Alpina, its future lies in even more luxurious territory. BMW's new strategy is to position Alpina as a bridge between BMW and Rolls-Royce, focusing on flagship models like the 7 Series and X7. That means traditional Alpina offerings based on the 3 and 4 Series may soon be a thing of the past, making the Bovensiepen Zagato an even more special send-off for that era of finely tuned, driver-focused BMWs. This is LuxAutoX, and you've just seen one of the most exciting BMW collaborations of the decade.